Good afternoon, Ravi.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. How are you guys?
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi,
Hi,
good,
sir.
good afternoon. Everything is fine, guys.
Yeah,
It's fine.
Now everyone is ready for learning what our Kafka sessions, right? Come on, guys.
yes, Ravi.
Yes, it's really, really
Yes, Ravi,
useful.
we are
And
ready.
if you guys sit in the 10 interview, right? In the 10 interview, in a 9 interview, right? Definitely this question will ask the people. You know the Kafka, IJMS. You know, then right? If you know, then you guys kill the interviewer, right? Come on. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes.
so now let's start our new session today, right? Not new session, continuous only, but today we will learn what new concept, right? So let's see one time
Yes, Ravi.
the people. Hmm, people name can I see one time, right? Then okay, good. No issue, guys. Okay, you guys are there in the good place and in the good track. Okay, don't worry about the others. People will offer you, guys. Okay, once if you have the skill, right, they will offer you how much you want, they will give you. Okay, just focus on your skills only, right? So just you guys can know, right, the people are like see in yesterday itself only one person in our telegram group, right, he intentionally directly is not like putting the message, right, AWS sorry and DevOps, anyone know that DevOps, Kafka and all those things, he kept message and how I given the reply him, and he said that 8 hour need and I will provide you 80K IST, right? So I said no, if you provide 1,30,000 or 40,000 for the 5 hour, then I can accept.
Voice is breaking, sir. Voice is breaking.
Okay, 1 minute, I'll change. Now fine, guys. Come on, now fine, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Fine,
and
Ravi.
yes.
Okay, guys, so good. So now let's understand our today discussions, guys. Okay, so be patient, guys. Initially, if we are taking any new concept, right, so in the concept theory is there, until unless if we not understand the theory, then we can't understand practical. And you guys know about my teaching style, right? So how I'm injecting the subject, my all theory
Yes, Ravi.
based on my theory only, my practical will be there. Whatever I'm creating the diagram, based on that our diagram only we are implementing our project. Nah, come on.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, so now let's start our session today's discussions, guys. Okay, I'm opening the paint. So today, first we will understand what is that basic MQs, right? How it's working, what is the working functionality. Then we will enter in the Kafka, because if directly we enter in the Kafka, people will not understand, guys. Okay, people will not understand our sessions, right? But first, what we will do it now, basic things we will understand. Then we will implement our Kafka implementation. We will give, right?
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah, so good. So here what I'm doing now, so today we will learn what is that MQs, right? MQs, we will learn what is that MQs, nothing but what, message queue. What is that message queues? Message queues, right? Message queues. So okay, so anyone know a little bit about message queue? Shall I only explain it? Anyone know about this one, guys? Anyone? Include in the session, guys, then the people will enjoy our sessions, right? Include in the session, guys. Okay,
Yes, Ravi. When you describe the diagram of microservices,
Yes. Okay. So now message queues, message queues is giving what is that continuous what, continuous manner of what, messages to our destination, guys. Okay, our destination application, anyone know that, what, just whenever you guys are booking our Ola cab, come on, Ola cab, every time our Ola is reaching here, it will come within the 5 minute, 10 minute, right? And whenever you guys are
yes, Ravi.
just that one only, right? Just stock market, anyone like stock market application using, anyone? Okay, forget about that. Is
Yes, Ravi.
stock market. Okay, live train status, guys. Okay, live train status. Now train is what in this station, now train is in this station. What is that? Live train status we are getting every time, every second, every, right? So if we
Yes,
want,
Ravi. Where is my train?
yeah, if we want to like implement these kind of things in our application, then what we will use it now, guys? What we will use it now? MQs,
Messaging
right?
queue. Message
MQs.
queue.
Okay, so but yeah, currently in the market people are using what is that, Kafka only. But what is that, we have need to learn first what, basic things, right? First we need to learn what, basic things,
MQ.
then we will enter in the Kafka, guys. Okay, this is the style we are following. Come on, Sudhir came,
Okay,
right?
Ravi.
Yeah,
Yes,
Sudhir. Yeah, Sudhir, good.
Yes, Ravi.
Sudhir, one more person I'm missing now. Okay, let's see when she will come now. Okay, good. Okay, good. So MQs, right? MQs. So we will using what is that? Those things we will implement using what is that, MQs, right? MQs. So what is the meaning of MQs? What is the meaning of what, MQs? Let's understand, right?
Message queue. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, message queue, right? Message queue, right? Message queues, right? Using using what we can do it now, using what we can, to send, right? To send data in what, in a continuous format, right? Continuous manner, right? Continuous manner what, manner for a prior of a time source, right? Prior of what, prior of what, time, right? Prior of time from what, from source, what is that, machine to machine destination. Till now we are learning, guys. Okay, till now what is that? Just I'm opening Chrome, right? Just I'm opening what, Chrome now. Okay, Chrome, in the Chrome browser, right? Chrome browser, last time what we seen, that little bit here, what is that, different concept is there, guys. Okay, different concept is there, totally different concept is there. Here machine to machine communication is there. Till now we are learning what, till now we are learning for what, till now we are learning, 1 minute, guys. Yeah, till now we are learning what, till now we are learning client to server communication, right? Come on, till now we are learning what, client to server communication. But here we are going to
Client
learn
to
what is
server.
that, server to server communication will be there,
Server to
guys. Okay,
client.
yeah, server to client and client to server communication, we seen that, right? But today we are going to what, today we are going to learn what, server to server communication, or what, machine to machine communication, right? One machine will become what, source, another machine will become what, destination, right? One machine will become what, source, and one machine will become what, destination.
Destination.
Just
Yes,
what,
Ravi.
guys, just whenever you guys are what, on the Flipkart, right? Flipkart, in the Flipkart, whenever you guys are what, any Amazon, Flipkart, right? Any e-commerce website, whenever you guys are booking any, right, what, any like what, anything, right, from the e-commerce website, right? After, whenever you are, your book is confirmed, right, you guys are getting one message, right, where you, which number you are registering on the e-commerce website. Now come on, your order is what, your order is what, like booked, come on, placed, right, placed. And whenever your
Please,
order
yes,
is, yeah,
yes,
whenever
please.
your order is placed, then you are getting the message, right? Whenever your order is shipped, then you are getting the messages. Come on, yaar,
Yes,
be
Ravi.
active yourself, guys. Okay, until
Yes,
unless
Ravi.
if you guys are not active, then I can't help you, as well as what, I can't give the subject, because you know, today topic is too much different. And you know, morning to till now I'm so much busy. Even I did not see like book also, or any document also I did not preferred, right? So because of your energy only I can deliver today's subject, guys. So every time,
Yes, Ravi, I'm
if
listening.
yes, right. So based on my experiences only, today my discussions will be there, guys. And this discussion is more important than what, another concept, right? Another concept. So just only one things, guys, I need response from your side, right? I need response from your side, then I can proceed the subject.
Sure, Ravi. Okay, definitely.
So just what I'm doing now, just what here, what FB, right? Just Facebook only, I'm logging my Facebook account, right? So in the Facebook, right, in the Facebook account, what we are doing now, just what, this is our what, Facebook account, right? So here in the Facebook account, what's happening now, guys? What's happening now in the Facebook account? So here in the Facebook account, what is that? This is the browser, right? This is the browser. We are making the request from the browser now, come on. And this request is
Yes,
going to
Ravi.
whom? This request is going to whom? Facebook server, right? From the Facebook server, this request is
Facebook server.
processing, and we are getting this page now, come on, as a response format, guys, come on, yaar,
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So
yes, right.
then in this kind of in this kind of what communication, what we can say now, what we can say, this kind of communication, we can say that this communication is what, client to server communication na, come on.
Correct.
Yes,
Client to
client
server.
server.
Yes, Ravi.
Client,
Client to server.
yes, client to server communication, we can
Client
say.
and server.
Yeah, we can say that what, client and what, server communication. But here we are going to learn what, we are going to learn what, server to server communication,
Server
right? Here we are
to
going to
server.
learn what,
communication.
server to
Yes.
server communication. And we can establish this
Server
server
to
to server communication using what, MQs. Clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
some
Ravi. Very clear.
some person need, right, some person need na, so to communicate one server or one machine to another machine, right? So that implementation we can able to give using what, MQs, right? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Like crick info.
Yes. So
Click was, yeah. Click
yes,
was.
yes. So now, client, what is the client to server communication? Client to server, client to server communication, right? Client to server communication. Client to server communication, what is the client to server communication? Every time has a what, to make request to server, right? For every request, server give what, response to client, like what, web application. Our web application is nothing
Response.
but what, our web application is nothing but what, the good example of
Client
what,
to server.
our web application, right? Our
Client to
web
server.
application. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Every time what, every time has what, has to yeah, has to make a request.
Request.
Yeah,
Yes.
has to make a request to what, server, using what is that, login button. What we are doing now, we are making the request only na, guys, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So for what, for every For every what? Every request, what is that? Server give what?
Giving
Server
the
gives,
response.
yeah,
Response.
gives response. Server gives what? Response to whom? Client, right? Client is nothing but browser, na?
Yes, Ravi.
Come on. For
Yes, Ravi,
example,
correct.
yeah, for example, we can say what? For example, we can say what?
Facebook.
Web application, right? Web application. But in the case of, right, but in the case of what? MQs, what is that? Source application is what is that? Just see this, right? Just see this. What? Source application. One source application is there. What is that? Another source destination application is there, right? Then destination application is there. That is what? System one. This is what? System one. System one are what? System one are server one, right? This is what? System.
Ravi.
This is what? System one, right? And this is what? System two. System what? System two, right? If we want to communicate, right? If we want to communicate, what is that? Or we can transfer the data. If we want to transfer the data, right? In if this system data, if we want to transfer for what? This system, right? This system, then what we need, guys? MQs, right? MQs, right? Message queue we need, right? Message queue. Every time, what is that? This system will make the, what is that? Transfer the data. Just example, right? Just example I'm giving, guys. Okay, just what? Just our Ola, assume that, right? This is our Ola application. Sorry, one person is there. Let's take one person from our what? Our sessions only. Okay, so who's that? Who is the? Let's take some person name, right? Today I will take different person name. Let's just Satyajit, right? He is also like a dedicated person. I'm seeing nowadays, right, in the group as well as what? YouTube, everywhere I'm watching this person, right? He is also dedicated person, right? Satyajit Maji, right? Okay, good. Let's take his name. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, Satyajit. So just Satyajit, what Satyajit is doing now? What Satyajit? Okay, don't bother about Satyajit. I don't know, right? Physically, but logically I know that, right? So just I'm creating you here, right? So this is the Satyajit, right? Satyajit, what he is doing now? Using his phone, right? Using his phone, what he's doing now? He's booking the Ola or Uber, right? He's booking the Ola or Uber now. Okay, good. So okay, so Ola or Uber using what he's doing now? Using his phone, right? In his phone, one application is there, right? One application is there. So what he's doing now? He booked the Ola. Using the phone, he booked the Ola, right? He's booking the Ola, right? After then what? For every second, after booking the Ola, right? Every second, what he is getting now? Okay, our Ola is reaching here, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so for every second, right? Cab status is getting na? Cab status is getting or not, guys? Come on. After booking that, what?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah, it
For
changes every second.
yes, every second, right? Every second, what is that? What is that he's getting, right? Status of what? This Ola or cab na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Status what is given? Who is the given? Who is the given? Our what? Ola server is giving, right? Every time Ola server is giving na, means what? He is also having Ola, right? Ola or what? Uber or anything, right? He is also having one phone, right? One phone. So whenever he is booking, right? So every time he the what? This application, Ola application is transferring what? Status of this Ola na to what? This end user. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Means
Yes, Ravi, correct.
yeah, that message we are implementing using what? MQs, right? MQs.
Yes, Ravi.
Clear? For example, where we can implement now, guys, where we can implement, just example, I'm giving some examples, just real time, real examples, like what is that? Swiggy, anyone using
Yes, Ravi.
Swiggy?
Yes, Ravi.
Right, Swiggy, what is that? Delivery,
Zomato.
delivery boy, what is the status you are getting on your mobile now every time? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Order booked, order received,
Yes,
delivery.
yeah, delivery boy status to what? Your mobile, on your mobile you are getting na, come on, every time. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
After then what?
Correct, Ravi.
After then what? Ola, right? Ola and Uber, just Ola or Uber status you are getting, right? After booking that Ola Uber, come on, guys, what is that?
Yes, Ravi.
Guys, so many conclusion I will give based on this example only, because some what is that here, what is that? Peer to peer, and what is the pub sub communication is there, but what is that? That is a future concept, right? That is what? Future concept. Because of that, just focus on our theory, guys. Based on this theory only, our future what our what next discussion is there, guys. Okay, don't take what is that light this discussion, guys. Okay. So, and even you guys can understand based on our discussion only how much this topic is important. Come on, any application is there where, just see that if you get what is that Ola or Uber application to develop, right? Or if you get what is that just what, like a Swiggy or anything, or if you air ticketing, where your flight now, where like air ticketing is some USAN
Radar.
project they are giving, right? Air ticketing project also, there are so many in the market. Come on. So
Yes,
Ola
Ravi.
or Uber or what is that? Live train
Status.
status. Live train what? Status, or what is that? Anyone using stock market?
Yes, Ravi.
Stock market, right? Market application. Stock every time, see, just in the stock market, guys, just what is the fraction of second, or what is that money is going down or up, or what is that what we are saying, yaar, share, right? Every time your share is going top and bottom every second, every minute, every fraction of second, every time we are getting the what updated result na. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Hmm?
Yes, Ravi. Correct.
So
Yes, Ravi.
same like means what? Same like application, right? If we want to develop, then we have need to understand first what? MQs, right? MQs. So just what is that? Just what is that? Source application, right? This is what? Just assume that source. This is what? Source application is there. This is what? Destination application is there, right? Destination application is there, right? Destination application want what? Continuous manner of what? Data of what? Our source. Then what we will do it now? We will use what is that? MQs. We will use what? MQs, right? So this is what? Destination application. Destination what? Destination application, right? In the destination application, if we want to flow the data of what? If we want to flow the data of what? This application, right? This application to where now? In this what? In this in another destination application. Sorry, destination application, right? In the continuous manner, right? In the continuous manner, then what we will implement it now, guys? MQs, right?
Message. Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Then we need to what? To implement what? MQs. Then we need to implement what is that? My MQs means what? What MQs is doing now? What MQs is doing now? MQs is doing what is that? Continuous flow of what? Source data to whom? Destination. Clear, guys?
Destination. Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Continuous
Ravi, clear.
continuous data flow. Continuous data flow now, guys. So okay, so just what? Just example, some another examples also I'm giving, guys. Okay, so this communication may one source can multiple destination, or one destination can be multiple, what is that? Sorry, one source, right? One source here, what is that? One source can be multiple destination also can be, right? Multiple destination also can be, or one source and one destination also can be, right? Come on. It's not meaning that only one destination, right? Sometimes what is that? One destination, sometime one destination, and what is that? Sometime what? Multiple destination also will be there, guys. Okay, come on.
Yes.
Come on, guys. I know that I'm trying to create that curiosity inside you guys. Okay, but if you guys are listening properly our session, then I can able to make the session what is that really you guys will enjoy, right? But what is that? Sometime I need to inject, right? Until unless when I will understand your mindset and when I can understand your thought process, if you guys are responding me, then if you guys are responding, definitely I will make this session what is that too much, like how our movie is starting initially, what is that little bit feeling what boring kind of our movie, and what is that just half an hour or 30 minutes is over, then the what is that what we can say that, yeah, like what curiosity will increase next. Yeah, what will happen next? What will happen next, right? So but what if you everyone if yeah, if everyone is giving the response, right? Everyone is giving the response, definitely you will learn what is that good subjects to me today. So now guys, so okay, good. So here what
Yes,
source, right? Here source and a destination is there, right? So the source and a destination, what using what we can implement in the continuous manner. If we want to use what is that continuous manner of what this source application data in what destination, then what we will use it now? MQs, na, come on.
MQs.
So the question is
Yes,
guide,
Ravi.
the question is guide every time can be destination only one or multiple also, right? Sometime destination can be one, sometime destination
Multiple
can
also.
be multiple, right? Sometime what is that? Sometime what is that?
Multiple.
Destination can be one, and sometime destination can be multiple, na, come on yaar.
Multiple.
Multiple,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, that's correct.
Yes. So
Yes, Ravi.
just let's our what, let's analyze our what in these 3 to 4 example we took now. Let's understand in this one only, guys. Okay, let's understand in this one only, guys. Okay, so just I'm creating the diagram only, right? Okay, no, our favorite, I know how many, I think that everyone is a lover of what, cricket, na, guys. Come on, yaar, give the response, everybody.
Yeah, maximum boys.
Right, maximum people are what, lover of what, cricket, na, match, the people are watching, right? What's happening, what is next, all those things, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Let's take that example only, guys. Okay, let's take that example, because easily if I'm able to come to your level, right, definitely you people will enjoy the session now. So but when I can come to your level now, if everyone is what giving the response, then I can understand everyone thought process, what's going on, what is that. Vijay, please switch off your camera, right? So just only one request to you people. Okay, respond it, guys. Okay, respond it, and this one will make you active, guys. Okay, because if everyone is responding now, definitely what our session will be good. So good,
Yes,
guys.
Ravi.
So yeah, voice is breaking.
No, no,
No,
no.
Ravi.
Okay, please check your side, Vijay. Please check your side. My network is good, I think, because of that people are giving the response miss good only, na. So
Yes, Ravi.
yes, so good. So just assume that, okay, this is the what, just assume that now, guys. Okay, so this is the cricket ground, right? This is the cricket ground. In the cricket ground, what is that? One software they are installing, right? One software will be there, right? One software application software will be there, right? So one software, just this is what cricket ground, right? This is what cricket ground. This is what cricket ground, right? This is what cricket ground. Okay, just assume that, right? In the computer we can't, right? Just assume our, this is the cricket ground, right? So here what is that? What is that? One application, they have what? One application. In the cricket ground, what they have? What? One application, right? One application where every time what live score is updating now. What is that? Live score is updating, right? score application, right? Score application,
Ravi.
where what is that? All updation is there about what? This match ground, right? This cricket ground, right? This cricket ground, what? All what is that? Score and who's what is the wicket status? Every status will be there in this application now. So what is that? So many application are what giving the services, what their others application is doing now, what other every time update score is updating right now using what? Some application, some application using what? Some application na, they are using what? This application, right? This what is that? This source application, where what is that? Cricket status will be stored in this application. This is nothing but what? A source application, right? Come on, this is what? Nothing but source application. And in our local, in our application, in our mobile, what we are doing now, in our mobile, what we are doing now, some application installing na, like what is that? Like crick buzz application, my cricket, and Spain something, different applications are there where we can check the status of what? Cricket na, guys. Come on,
Yes, sir.
come
Yes,
on.
Ravi.
Span crick, right? This application is there, right? Come on.
Yes, PN.
Yeah, another one you are using, what is the crick buzz also, right? This is also application na, where we can check the status of what? Our cricket. Come on,
Crick info also.
crick buzz, right? And what is that?
Crick info also there.
Okay, crick
Live
info.
score.
Okay, live score. Okay, live score, right? Are what? My crick also there, right? My crick, different application. How many you guys are know that, right? Those applications, just assume that. So cricket, right? Cricket, 1 minute. Cricket score is updating here, not here, right? But how they are reflecting, in this application also in the continuous manner, using what? Using what,
Using the
guys?
message queue.
Message queue. Clear?
Message queue.
Come on, guys.
Yes,
Clear
Ravi.
or not? I'm reaching to you guys or
Yes, Ravi.
not, guys?
Clear.
Come on, I'm able to
Yes, sir.
reach
Clear.
you.
Clear, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so but the thing is, guys, what? But the thing
Yes,
is
sir.
what? But the thing is just what? My intention is what? Here, what? I said that just now, I said that source only one, but what is that? Destination can be multiple na. Come on, destination can be multiple and destination can be single also, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Destination can be what? Single also, right? So in this situation, what is that here? What is that? What we can say that now, guys? Here destination, sorry, source is single and the destination is multiple na. Come on, yaar.
Yes, Ravi.
This is the good example of what? One source to multiple. What is the multiple destination MQs na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Hmm?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Fantastic.
Good. Still actually I'm creating the suspense, guys. Okay, still I'm not giving the conclusion. What we can say this one, right? Just give me 10 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, how I will tell. Okay, this communication is what is the name of what this communication. Still I'm not giving the name of what this communication. Okay, so this is what? One single source, right? This is what? Single source. And what is that? Multiple destination, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys, so now I'm giving one more. Again I'm taking, what is that? Our Swiggy application. Okay, our what? Swiggy application I'm taking, right? So just what is that? Our just what? This is what? A Swiggy application, right? Swiggy application, right? So in the Swiggy application, what we are doing now? User is booking the what? Using the user is what? Booking the order, right? Come on.
Yes.
Food
Yes,
order,
Ravi.
food order. He is doing the food order, right? So what will happen now after booking that, right? So user can be what? In this situation, what is that? Only one user will be booking na. Don't bother about multiple user can book, right? But what is that? Here, what is that? Multiple
Yes,
application using what is that? Based on your order, you will get what is that? Messages every time na. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Right?
Ravi, correct.
Yes, Ravi.
In the Swiggy, right? In the Swiggy, what you are doing now? What you are doing now? If we are booking the what is that food, right? If we are booking the food, so every time what you are getting, what is that? This is the user. Every time user is getting our own update only. Nah, come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Our own item updates. Nah.
1-to-1.
So here, what is that? 1-to-1. One source can be what? One source is communicating with what? One user, right? One user is nothing but destination. Nah, come on, guys.
One destination.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
And
Ravi.
same like what is that? Our Ola also, right? Just
Yes,
Ola.
Ravi.
Whenever we are booking the what? Ola. So user is getting their car status update. Nah, come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Right?
Ravi, correct.
Hmm. Okay, so the thing is how we can implement what is the software MQ software name, what is the MQ software name, that person how, right? Just here we are giving what is that conclusion, what is the concept of what MQs, but we need what one middleware services, right? One middleware, what is that software, which one will communicate, which one will take the data,
Service.
which one will take the data from what, which one will take the data from source, and what is that,
Source.
and that one will give to what, that one will give to what, multiple what,
Destination.
multiple destination or single destination, right? That software name is what,
Yes,
that
Ravi.
software name is what, mom software. Come
Office
on,
tool.
mom software, right? Message
Yes.
oriented
Mom.
middleware, that software name is what, message
Yes.
oriented middleware
Mom
software.
software.
So now what will happen now, just understand, guys. Okay, again I'm creating the final diagram. Okay, again I'm creating the final diagram. You guys are feeling bored, or just everything is good?
Everything is good.
Not
Everything
bore,
is
not bore, Ravi.
Hmm?
Please carry on.
Good, sir.
Yeah, it's a new
Good,
topic,
na?
Very
Ravi.
good.
We are enjoying.
Okay, guys,
Yeah, Ravi,
so
very good.
yeah,
It's
so
interesting.
okay,
We
good.
continue.
Okay, so now let's create final application image, right? Final image, and based on that image only we will work, right? We will work, right? In our what, our practical session will be there on that image only, guys. Okay, so good. So just assume that, right? In the what, in this case what, in this case also one will become what, producer, another one will become what, consumer, right? Another one will become what, consumer now, guys.